young people out here, they gonna learn today. These little young people out here, they gonna learn today.
Let's go. We can go to the store.
Elaborate on Saturday cartoon, that nigga turn goon, fabricating on TV. Dang G, dang me.
Y'all, this is Nicole Tyler. Up in here. Up and got dogging on Subway. I come here to get a sandwich. I asked old roly-poly guy to just press my sandwich down. He gonna get smart with me. Like he don't work for me up in Subway. I'm Nicole Tyler, aka Sexy Clean the Ruler. He don't know. He don't know where he started. Y'all already know. This is what I do. I had to tell him this is what I do. But he gonna learn today. I ain't got nothing but time but to sit up in here and get on his damn nerve till they put me out. But if I ask somebody who's making my sandwich just to press my sandwich down, and I'm paying them, ain't nobody gonna talk smart to Nicole Tyler the Ruler. Nobody. Now he asked me not to put him on camera, and I respect that, so I won't. But I told him I have nothing but time, like I done told all of y'all out there. Nothing but time, space, and miles. I don't play this. I'm not new to this. I am true to this. And I will stay here and talk junk to this boy. This little young boy gonna tell me I'm too old to be. How old am I arguing with him? How old are you arguing with me and can't follow directions when I ask you to press my damn sandwich down up in Subway? I told him I ain't got nothing but time. I'm Miss Nicole Tyler, aka the Ruler. I said I ain't got nothing but time. I said I can make money off of this. I said this is what I do all day. Now, yeah, make your sandwiches, fat ass. Yeah, you better shit. Yeah, you ain't saying nothing now. Hey. This time, this a young roly-poly making sandwiches up in Subway. Can't follow directions. Yeah. Gonna try to cuss at me all the and then I said please. Now I've been coming to this Subway for the last 2 years, and every time they make my sandwiches, I say, can you please press it down so the stuff don't fall? He don't want it to squirt on him. I'm like, it ain't squirt on nobody else, but here you go, like acting like he's so clean guy. He got a face full of hair, ain't wearing no neck, got a goddamn hat on his head with some braids, and then talking like he's so clean up in here. He acting like he working at a damn job making $100,000 a year up in Subway. I asked him to press my sandwich down. He gonna say he don't want none to get on him. He acting like what you working in a food place? He acting like he working for $100,000 a year. Can you press my sandwich down? No, it's gonna squirt all over me. Like who are you? That you can't let mayonnaise get on you. Wait, everybody else press it down, say thank you, ma'am. I might even give a tip. But here he come, some old roly-poly looking scruffy old guy with hair all over his face. Coming at the shop, coming at Nicole Tyler. I said, let me go get my phone, cause this is what I do. This is what I do in here. Ask the dude, can you just press my sandwich down? He gonna get smart with me when I'm paying his damn taxes and wages and everything. camera, y'all. I don't do that. I don't disrespect. And y'all probably think I'm crazy. And I am crazy because this is what I do. I'm a YouTube content creator. My name is Nicole Tyler. Subscribe to my channel. And I said, you know what? I'm going to make $1 off of this because I'm pissed off. I asked him behind there, just press my sandwich down. He already pressed it down with the knife. All he had to do is press it down. Because when I get home, and if they don't press it down, my stuff be flat and the stuff be everywhere. Because I like a lot of stuff on my sandwich. I've been coming in here for 2 years. He gonna run his damn mouth. There you hear him? Don't they say, y'all, these people, mama ain't nothing. I said it. And I'm gonna keep on being here till I feel like leaving. Now, you do what I asked you to do. When I say press my sandwich down, you do it. Don't give me no lip. I bet if I was white, your ass would have did it. See that? They want to disrespect their own people up in here. All I asked him to do is, can you press my sandwich down, please? And he gonna back talk me? Back talking me. All I asked you to press my sandwich down. These young people, their mouth is reckless. What kind of damn mamas out here? Their mamas are suck. Their mamas ain't no damn good. Their mamas ain't no good. Raised them to talk back. I thought customers was always right. Until you got these old ragged ass kids out here. That's why they out there shooting and killing each other. They out there shooting and killing each other. Because you can't even get a halfway decent sandwich. And I'm paying him $9 for a sandwich. And if you want to record me, ma'am, you can. All day. All day. I said I can make some money off this all day. I ain't got nothing else to do. I ain't got nothing but time. And I won't even gonna go live tonight. I said I ain't even gonna live tonight with all that child pornography scandal going on. Then I gotta come in here, go into the store. I said, let me get me a sandwich. It's right. Now that's how I was raised. Don't say nothing to me. If I can't put you on camera, don't say nothing to me. Where's your manager? Let him come up in here. Now, you let him come up in here. The manager, he done call his manager with his scruffy face. And with his scruffy face after he done disrespected me. Let your manager come here so I can tell him how unsubordinate you are. Yeah, you ridiculous. You hear him? I'm ridiculous. I'm ridiculous. Well, he done cussed at me first. You cussed at me. He done cussed at me first. Yeah, where your witnesses at? Where the camera at? Where is the camera? Yeah, well, let's show the footage. He gonna show the footage. I can't wait to show the footage. Yeah, let him come. Let him come. Let the manager come. Y'all know what y'all can call this on YouTube? Subway gate. Subway gate. Subway gate. I'm sorry y'all gotta see me acting crazy out there, but when I come to get some food and I ask somebody, can you do one little simple thing, and they run their mouth at me, I got a problem with that. Then gonna talk about something, you ain't gotta get like that. All I said was, sir, can you just press the daggone sandwich down? I'm saying, repeating myself over and over again. He gonna tell me no. Then gonna tell me something, we got cameras. Roll the bean footage. Roll the bean footage. This don't make no damn. I won't even go live. I thought the murderous weekend was over too, y'all. I said I'm gonna be all nice this week. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, I'm pissed off. He gonna tell me you ain't gotta get all rah-rah like that. I was like, all I asked you to do is press my sandwich down. all I asked you to do, man, was press my sandwich down. He gonna tell me it ain't gotta be all of this. I'm like, what are you talking about? Then he gonna tell me something, we got the footage. I said, you know what? Oh, go ahead, I'm sorry. Yeah, well, you know that porn stuff, that started, but still, if I come to get me a sandwich and I don't want nobody talking back to me, all I asked you to do was press my sandwich down. Well, I want to press it down right here. I'm like, no, press it down right here. Like everybody else do. Nobody has no problems. Nobody has problems except him. I ain't never seen these young people. Y'all give me some likes in my chat. I only got 20%, y'all, because I didn't charge up my phone. We gonna go up until my phone cut off. Give me some like my video, y'all. Give me up to at least 100. I'm sorry y'all gotta see me like this, y'all. But these young people need to learn today. It don't make no sense. Yeah, I did. Thanks. I love you too. Okay, bye. These young people need to learn. Now I remember back in the day we had a store called U-Crops up in Richmond. They were one of the most expensive grocery stores. But you know what people love to spend their money with them because they had excellent customer service. Excellent customer service. They never talk back to the people. These people gonna tell me I'ma do it. Look here, I asked you to do it right there. Then you gonna base your voice up at me? You my child age? Then you gonna tell me I'm too old for YouTube? Well, YouTube is paying me a check every month. Get with that. I'm not at no Subway. With your scruffy face. Talking like you so clean. Shave that mess off. Want to be ashamed. Your mama probably is embarrassed by you. Then he gonna be quiet there, or he done called his man. See, he was talking the SHIT. He was cursing at me in the beginning. I sure don't got nothing to do. You the one. Ain't you on the clock? Ain't you on the clock? Make them sandwiches, sandwich boy. That's it. They see that's it. Roly-poly behind my camera. See, he roly-poly. That's roly-poly's son right there. That's another roly-poly. I said it. You see that? You see that? These little kids ain't got no respect for their elders out here. Now how to treat the customers. Customers is always right. It don't make no sense. Now I wish the other little guy had made my sandwich. He was very respectful and nice. I came in here at the wrong time. When there was this other little white guy came up in here and he beat me to the punch. I would have had the good guy making my sandwich. That don't talk back and is real respectful. I would have had him. No, I gotta get the respectful one. The one that prowled up in the street gang banging. I got him who ain't got nothing else to do. Oh, I guess I gotta get a job, so I better go to Subway. I said it. Probably got. They done called the police on me, child. They done called the police. It's going fine. I'm right here, sir. He called the police on me. I came in here to get my sandwich, and that young man, I don't know where he is at, and I asked him could he do one thing for me while he was making my sandwich, and he started getting belligerent, started cursing me out, then got me so upset, and I said, I'm a YouTube content creator, so I said, well, let me get my phone and start recording it, and that's what's going on. I just asked him to press my sandwich down when he was making my sandwich, and then he talking about something, I'm gonna do it. I said, well, can you do it right now? I said, I like it done right here, behind the counter. But he want to do it at the cash register. I'm like, no, can you just press it down right here? Then he gonna say, you ain't gotta get all like that. You ain't gotta get, I'm like, get all like what, sir? Then he said something like the SHIT word to me. And then I'm like, what? Then that's when I started going off. But he said he has it on film.
You got all your food and everything?
Yes, but I'm waiting till I get like 10% on my phone. Oh yeah, no. I don't have no charger.
So how are you getting your phone 10%?
No, it's already on 20, so it's getting ready to go on 10.
So what are you waiting for?
Yes, I'm just sitting here talking to my audience.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to leave. You can go talk to them in the parking lot, but you can't stay in here.
Okay, I'm gonna, since you are being respectful, I'm gonna listen to you. And
Yeah, you can stand up and talk, but you can't be in here.
but can I wait to talk to one of them about their manager?
I can get you a phone number that you call corporate. It's gonna be a minute.
No, because the manager is the one who probably, I would like to talk to the manager.
I'll see if there's a manager here.
Yeah, because I don't want to talk to no corporate. Because when that one right there is the one you profanity on me, and all I asked him to do, can you just press my sandwich? He got mad with me.
You got your sandwich.
And he's talking about something. He's the doggone manager. I can't believe they made him the manager.
I'm sorry that happened, okay?
They have to be ashamed of themselves. This man, this boy right here is unsubordinate. He is out here smoking a cigarette. What kind of manager is that? With braids in his hair, and he don't want to get nothing on him. Child, thank you, police officer. I wish I could show him on camera, y'all. He look a hot mess. He a manager. Child, Lord. Child. He's a manager. Look at out there smoking a cigarette. Look at that. Look, let me tell y'all about this guy. He thought that he was gonna cuss at me, y'all, and I was I said, what? I was in shock. The man, you ain't gotta get rah-rah. I said, no, sir, can you just please? I kept saying and repeating myself, can you just press my sandwich down right here, sir? It won't even no problem. You ain't gotta get rah-rah like that. I'm like, hold on, what the fuck? I said, what the fuck? You ain't gotta get rah-rah like what? Then he gonna tell me, I said, you know what, I'm going to get my phone on my YouTube content. YouTube fucking old to be on YouTube. Or no, he might not say the F word. He said, you too old to be on YouTube. Well, I am on YouTube, and you too young to be being disrespectful to your elders. You too young to be, if I ask you to do something and you working up in a damn subway, to not know how to make a sandwich.
Oh, let me see if I can show them, y'all. Hold on. I can't. Hold on. That's them right there, y'all. Hold on. Let me see. The little one right there. You see the police? And look at them. They think I'm the bad guy, y'all. See this lady? She think I'm the bad guy. That's him on the phone. That's him. They told him he the manager. Do he look like a damn manager? What kind of manager is that? I've been coming to this subway for 2 years. And he told me, now, I was sitting in there, y'all. See how he lied? He said he on the phone with the manager. The police gonna say he the manager. Who is lying?
And I don't know if that little girl was his girlfriend. Jump. Full moon up in effect.
Sub Airport.
Hello, yes ma'am. My name is Deidre, and I'm calling because there was an incident that took place yesterday at your subway.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any way I could speak to that gentleman?
He currently is not here. He comes in at 5 today.
Okay, is he okay? I just want to make sure he's okay.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, thank you so very much. I'll call him back at 5.
Okay, also, she's been contacting the store multiple times.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that? You said she's contacted multiple times?
She keeps calling the store multiple times. I'm going to let my manager know that she's calling, basically thanking us for the entertainment yesterday and telling us to subscribe to her page.
Well, you all should maybe take a look at her page and watch the video. Every single comment, everybody told her that she overreacted. She was disgusting. She was mental. Nobody supported her actions yesterday. So, on behalf of the public and everybody that has common sense, I want to say that I humbly apologize for her actions.
It's fine.
It was crazy. It's this YouTube thing is getting out of hand where people are doing just anything
really is.
for
She's
clicks
an
and
older
views.
lady.
Right.
Yeah. Definitely. She's about in her 40s or 50s. So that's why I was just disgusted with her attitude. The first time she called, I explained to her that it was very rude how she treated the gentleman that made her sub. She basically said, yes, I know I'm rude, but that's how I am. I have no clue what's wrong with this lady, but
I'm sorry.
She called like about 3 times.
I apologize. Can you repeat that? She said that she knows she's crazy, but then she apologized anyway?
Yeah, so I kind of figured that maybe she was doing it because she was recording like the phone call on YouTube, but I explained to her that no employee should ever be treated that way. And I told her that, you as people today, you have to be better than what we're doing. And she, basically she was like, she knows that she was wrong, but she does it for the views. So, it's truly disgusting. At that point, I just hung up, and then that's when she called back and was like, thank you for, basically entertaining it, and for me to let everybody know to subscribe to her page.
Oh, wow. And you didn't go and do a verbal back and forth with her. You just hung up the phone?
Yes, at that point I just hung up.
Okay, so when she called the third time, did you not answer, or what was her purpose of calling?
Yeah, we didn't answer the third time. Yeah, I just didn't answer. I kind of figured it was her because it's like a back-to-back thing. So the third time I didn't answer.
So her purpose is she wants to speak to him, and she wants to apologize, but also say thanks for the clicks and views?
I'm not really sure what's wrong with this lady. She said she understands she was wrong, but I don't know what's wrong with her.
So there's not going to be any retaliation against him now, is it?
No, I actually spoke to my manager last night because he viewed the YouTube video, so he had already seen the video.
Okay.
And then I seen it, so yeah, there's nothing that's gonna happen to the employee because he didn't do anything wrong. She asked him to mash her sandwich down, and he told her, give him a moment. He's doing something, and that's when she was like, I'll do it myself. So he slid the sandwich over to her so she can smash it down. I'm not really sure why.
Well, her reasoning in the video was she said that she wanted him to do it because she likes her sandwiches loaded. She wanted him to do it and push the sandwich down so that way when she gets home and she goes to open it to eat it, all of the ingredients don't fall out of the sandwich. So that's why she was adamant that she wanted him to push it together. But anybody with common sense. Yeah, but is that not something we can do ourselves? Like, I don't.
Yeah.
I didn't understand that. Even if it was inside of the paper, the plastic, I preferably myself would have pushed it together once it was all wrapped, not prior to that.
That's what he was trying to tell her, because he didn't want it to, squirt all over her. He said that he didn't want it to squirt over him. He said he didn't want it to get on her.
Right, because now that leads into a whole different issue. Correct.
Yeah. But the cops made her leave. She sat in the parking lot for like another 10 or 15 minutes. Asking people what should she do, press 1 if she should go in there and cause a scene, or click 2 if she should just leave. Like it was a whole scene.
So now, do you know if he wants to press charges against her, or is he just going to allow the incident to just pass?
I haven't spoken to him about it recently, but I can ask him. Like I said, he comes in at 5, so I'm going to give him a call back.
Okay, I don't want to keep taking up your time. I appreciate you for speaking to me.
No problem.
Thank you all for tuning in, and thanks for joining the discussion. When the time is right, y'all, I want to see what y'all think and how you feel in the comments. But in the meantime, we're going to get back to the video. Would you mind hitting that like button?
So, and I did not eat that sandwich. I tried to eat it, but I just couldn't even eat the daggone sandwich, so I just ended up giving Subway a $10 donation, basically $9.50 or whatever it was. So let me tell you. So I was leaving out of the parking lot, because you all know I hung up with you all, right? And how about, I think the boy called his mother. So she come walking past my car, and she's staring in my car. I don't know these people out here. I don't usually frolic in the streets. I do what I gotta do. I go home. Y'all know basically I don't really go anywhere unless I'm visiting my mom or, little stuff like that. So she come with a mean little face, right? I don't know I don't know if it was his mother, because this girl had a ponytail in her hair. So, she come walking past my car, looking all mean. So I was on the phone at the time. Because, whoever I was on the phone with, they was like, well, we're glad everything worked out. You're safe. Just go ahead on home and call me, make sure you're home and all that kind of stuff. So she walked past my car looking all mean, and she goes to the subway. Now, I got to drive. Y'all seen the way I was parked in the parking lot. So I have to, subway's not even that far from my car. If the way I have to drive to get back on the road. So, so she's standing there, but she's not really saying nothing to me. So I was still on the phone because I didn't know who she was. And so I'm just looking at her, she's looking at me. I'm on the phone looking at her, she's looking at me. And she got a mean face, like, lady, you don't even know me. You was not there. You don't know what happened or what that boy said to me while I was in there to make me act a plumb damn fool on yesterday. So then once I drive up to the stop sign and the subway is on my left side, then she gonna say, are you through acting such and such and such and such and something? She said like that. That's when y'all might have seen me attempt to go live, and then I was on the phone and do not go live. Just go ahead on and leave. That's what my friend was saying on the phone. Just leave. Don't say nothing, because I was getting ready to start it back up. I was like, lady, you don't want it. I'm pissed off that this even had to happen. And out of been having a blessed freaking day. And so, she asked me something, was I something in Subway? Because she's halfway out. She got the Subway door open, talking to me and talking to whoever the little guy is. Like, lady, what you thought was going to happen? You was gonna agitate me some more, which you should have came earlier when I was agitated. Then we would have really seen me. Then I probably would have went to jail. But you standing in front of a subway door, the door open, talking to me while I'm in my daggone car. See, this car could have been used as a weapon. So she lucky she just, I pulled on off. And I'm lucky she did not feel froggy to jump. Because I would have nicely put it in reverse, and then that would have been all, and y'all could gather y'all opinion from there.
Oh, I think this would be an excellent time for me to insert my opinion. There's no need for me to reiterate the story that you just saw. She described it several times throughout these clips, and I don't think I need to reiterate it. She got upset. She said she asked him to do something, and he didn't do it, and that what you saw is the result of her reaction to him refusing to do what she asked at the time that she asked him to do it. Now, the thing is, this is where my problem with the video comes from. When she says that his mama didn't teach him anything. That's what's wrong with these children today. Their mamas ain't teaching them stuff. So, okay, this is my opinion. Nicole Tyler, you are one of the toxic people and toxic parents. The video that I showed at the beginning of this was a prime example of toxic parenting. I think you are a part of the same group that you said that his mother is from. Here's the thing. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. You could be raised by the best. At some point, people are not going to continuously tolerate disrespect. The man felt disrespected. You were asked to leave, and the whole confrontation ensued after that. Where do you think those people in that video at the beginning of this video learned that behavior from? They learned it from a toxic parent, toxic mother, father, whoever the case may be, somebody in their family. The point is, it's a learned behavior. And you can't put his mother or him in a bucket and say, this is why you act like this. This is why your customer service is so bad. Well, Nicole Tyler, how do your children act in public? I'm quite sure you will respond with that by saying, my son and my daughter don't act like that, as any parent would. But if we go by the example that you are setting, I would say I doubt that very highly. I could almost guarantee you that if you were not one of your children's mother and you walked into that subway behaving the way that you did, one of your children probably would kind of react the same way. Because at some point you became degrading and very disrespectful to this man. some of the derogatory things that you said about him. Well, let me clear up this one thing. First of all, you said, I like a lot of things on my sandwich. And then earlier in the video, you stated, I only had a couple of things on there. You were too scared of a little mayonnaise squirting on you? I don't know if it's just not me or if it is only me, but I don't know. I would think that I would wrap my sandwich and then press it. But hey, that's just me. You wanted it pressed at that time while it was still open, to each his own. My opinion is, I just think how you behaved after that and then proceeded to say that's why other people's children act like that. No, honey. You are a part of that toxic group that you are trying to separate yourself from. The reason why the people in the video fight and act the way that they do is because of toxic people who act just like you. You disrespected him by saying that he worked at Subway. So what? He has a fucking job. Who cares? He gets up, he goes to work, he provides for whoever he needs to provide for, including himself. Who are we to judge? Why do we look down upon? It's happened to me in my life. Somebody told me, I clean, you know all my business. You clean toilets. You're just a toilet cleaner. Okay, well, okay. What you didn't know is I own the business. Just because I'm here doesn't mean that I don't have to be in your commercial business or in your home not cleaning. What the person didn't know is they was talking to the owner. And, oh, I'm going to call your boss. Okay, well, you're going to talk to me. And the thing about it is your contract is now canceled. See, you got to be humble and realize sometimes you just never know who you're talking to. That man could have been an angel in your life that could have been a test from God to catapult you into greatness. But you failed that test with your behavior and then proceeded to tell him how his behavior was horrible. We didn't hear him yelling and screaming. I could clearly hear him in the background of what he was saying. He wasn't disrespectful to you. He wasn't yelling at you. He wasn't screaming at you. He just said his manager was on the phone and she wanted you to leave. So, you also told him that that's why these children are, well, you told the audience, that's why these children are out here killing people. Not one time did you take a step back outside of the situation and evaluate your actions and what you were doing in this situation. You told that young man that he was gang affiliated and probably had multiple 100 babies. No, yeah, your number was 100 babies. Nicole Tyler, you acted a plum fucking fool. Okay? It wasn't cute. It wasn't worth the clicks or views. This is my opinion and I'm sticking to it. The views and opinions expressed on this channel is just that. My view and my opinion. I'm going to close this video out with a conversation with the young man that you had a confrontation with. I hope you do better in the future, Nicole. I hope you set a better example for the youth out here. The young man felt like he didn't want to disrespect you, but at some point, he had to do what he had to do because you were not going to continuously disrespect him. So, and to your point, when you said, I guess he called his mama, let me tell you, even before I had a conversation with him, when I was watching your video, the thought went into my mind because I have a child that age. Let me tell you something. He's not a child. He's, in his words, he's a grown-ass man. But here's the thing. I couldn't have lived a few miles away from there and you was up there acting a fool like that. See, everybody mama don't play that. And one of my fellow content creators, shout out to Straight Drop, he said to me one day, sometimes it take a nigga to stop a nigga from doing nigga shit. And you would have met a nigga that day because you were acting absolutely niggerous and ridiculous. And I hope it was worth them little clicks and views. You better hope that man don't put harassment charges and some other shit on your ass. Man, thank y'all for watching. Shout out to Subway. $5 foot long.
Queries. Please wait while I connect your call. Subway Airport.
Hi, can I speak please?
Who's speaking?
My name is Deirdre. Is this Jonathan?
Yeah, what can I do for you?
Hi, how are you? I wanted to call you because I am in the same community as the woman that came in and harassed you yesterday on YouTube.
Say that again?
I said I'm calling you because I'm a part of the same community of the woman that harassed you on YouTube.
Okay.
And I just wanted to call you and tell you, on behalf of the general public, I want to apologize to you. I am a mother myself, and we all were pretty appalled as to what went down yesterday.
Okay.
And so I just wanted to call out and reach out to you because I really do feel as though you're owed an apology that I think you'll never get. And like I just said, as a mother myself, I just wanted to call and speak to you and just kind of ask you what happened from your perspective. And I understand that she's still been calling today and she wants to do more videos. But we've come together as a collective to try to shut her down. That was appalling yesterday. Absolutely appalling.
It was. I really would love to talk to you, but I'm kind of swamped right now. I got guests coming in.
Okay.
But I appreciate you calling out and reaching out.
Okay. Is there any way we can speak later on?
I guess if you come up to the store.
You want me? I'm in Georgia.
Oh, you in Georgia?
I'm in Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay.
But yeah, you want me to call you back or I'm just still gonna go on live and just tell her how wrong she was. That's still gonna happen regardless if I talk to you.
And the sad thing is, anything that she said on the video had no truth. I understand everybody got their own point of views and their own aspects of what they went through, whatever. But nothing she said had any truth to it. And I didn't even speak to the cops on behalf of myself for real, because I had witnesses to do that. So that I just was letting it go, and everybody keep coming to me about it. So
yeah, you have hundreds of witnesses online. You know what I mean? So, and it was even if you had to say something, at the end of the day, she's an elder. From your her perspective, she kept saying this boy, this child. So it was all about because you wouldn't smash your sandwich together, and it was just ridiculous, and it was just all 4 clicks and views.
And that's what I'm talking about. In her video, she states that I told her that I wouldn't do it. I told her to give me a second. Those were the only words that came out my mouth. And I guess I wasn't moving as fast as she wanted, so, she went crazy. And we exchanged some words. I told her to have a great day. She sat there and got real nasty with it. I admit I got nasty back, because you're not going to talk to me like that.
Right.
And when I said what I said, I left it at that, and she just stood there. After she stood there about a good 2-3 minutes, that's when she went off and went and got her phone. So anything you see on the video, she didn't say or mention anything that happened prior to that.
Yeah, because her words were, she said that you didn't want the items on the sandwich to squish on you. That's what she said.
I said I don't want the sandwich to, disperse. Let me wrap it in the paper first. Never said I ain't want to display. I'm working with sandwiches all day. Sounded stupid as soon as I heard it.
That absolutely makes sense. Because
I just told her to put up around it so I can do it. And like I said, she was very impatient. So, and her whole demeanor when she came in was very different from her video. I agree. I was the one who greeted her. I'm the one who made her sub from the beginning to the end. And just at a flip of a coin, she just turned to that. So.
Okay, well, she apparently is on her page, on her community post, saying that she's going to do a part 3 tonight.
Well, that's her wishing. That's her freedom of speech. She could say what she wants. Like, only thing I asked her not to do when she was in here was not put me on camera. When she said she was going to stay in here and do what she was going to do, I welcomed her. I said, you're welcome to do that. Until she got to a very point where she was very loud and obnoxious. I couldn't even hear a guess that was in my face. That's when I was starting to ask her to leave, but she still wasn't hearing me because she was loud.
Now, because she actually put the telephone number to the location out, which is how I got the phone number to even call you in the first place.
Yeah, I know.
My question is, so do you plan to pursue harassment charges or anything like that? Because what's stopping her from coming back up there and doing this again for a click and a view?
She can come on if she want. I just won't be serviced on her.
Okay.
I learned I don't do the same thing twice. I learned my lesson. She she's more than welcome to come. This is not my business. This is not my franchise. This is not my store. Only reason why I asked her to leave is because the way she was acting.
Right.
She ain't never say in her video that I told her she was more than welcome to stay and do her video. And I was just the bad guy.
Oh, so you know what? Because I was wondering why she was sitting there for so long and why she wasn't just asked to leave the premises. Because I would have asked her to leave.
Like I said, I told her.
Wow.
In exchange of our words, I said what I had to say. I guess she didn't think I was gonna hold my stance or hold my ground. I'm a grown man, so I don't tolerate disrespect from nobody. But if I'm giving disrespect, you gonna get it back. Plain and simple.
Now, is it true that she said that you called a woman up there and the woman was staring her down and she was standing in the doorway talking to her and talking to you and
No. Yes, I called a woman and that woman was my manager. I told my manager not to come up because the issue was handled. That's my manager who came up and wanted to make sure that her workers, co-workers, and whatever else you want to call us was okay because she's seen and heard of how this lady was going on.
As she should. As she should.
So, like I said, this lady has not said nothing truthful out her mouth whatsoever.
Okay, well, again, I apologize that that happened to you. I pray that that doesn't ever happen to you again. I know sometimes, and you don't sound like you took it personal, so I'm glad that you were able to just get through the situation and move on.
Yeah, I can't take it personal. She's not a serious person. Like,
right.
She means nothing to me, so why would I take her words to heart?
I like you, Jonathan. I do. I like you. Your mom and your parents raised a good young man. I like you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. And going forward, I wish you nothing but the best success and happiness. Thank you so much for talking to me.
I appreciate it. No problem.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Thank y'all for tuning in. I will see you in the comments.